Assalamualaikum and greeting to my examiner and all viewers who are watching this slide presentation. My name is Muhammad Isham Bismail from SB4. My metric number is F18A0091 and I went to present about my thesis slide presentation for a final year project entitled Effect of Different Fertilizer Application on the Growth of Edamame Glycinate. First, I went to give greatest gratitude toward my village supervisor, Prof. Madia Dr. Fatima, and my friend Iza Ameh, Iman Shazrin, Jeffrey, and Ihmat Tajuddin for helping me a bit in making this slide presentation. I want also to give my gratitude to my family supporting me in making my final year project from the start until nearly the end today. First, I will start about introduction. Firstly, I want to present about research background. So, what is edamame? Edamame is an immature soybean, a famous all-around snack type of food crop. Mostly people eat it as a snack or side dish. It for a long time has become main side dish at China, Japan, Korea, and also become quite popular in the United States of America. Even right now, it highly demanded by many people, especially in USA, as a healthy, full of nutritious type of snack. Next, we are going to look at problem statement. There are several problems happen that make edamame not so popular as plant crop in Malaysia. One of them is the lack of knowledge about edamame. There is no benefit of edamame to our health. Another reason is that the cost of production is high because fertilizer is a bit costly. Another reason is there are no optimum ratio for organic fertilizer in Malaysia, so they don't want to take risk of planting edamame, thus making edamame virtually difficult to find at the market in Malaysia. The objective of this study are to determine the effect of different fertilizer on the growth of development of edamame. The hypothesis of this study is to find if there are any significant effect of fertilizer on the growth of edamame. For this study, no hypothesis was asserted. Next is about significance of the study. Organic fertilizer is easier to get, economically available all years. It is easy to procure and get anywhere, as there are many domestic animal found in Malaysia. The outcome of the experiment is to find best type of fertilizer application for edamame plant. Next is about literature review. First one is about origin edamame. Edamame is soybean albeit an immature one. It also known as soya or soya bean. Its scientific name is glycinate, come from Greek word glycus, meaning sweet. It named as such because it has unbearable sweet taste. It harvests about 35 to 40 days after the crop bloom. Next, economic importance of edamame. Japan has the world's largest edamame market. Korea and Japan have their annual consumption is very high, and also a lot of specialty cuisines use edamame as one of its ingredients. For a long time ago, edamame has been introduced as medicinal food called as Maodao in China. USA has high demand, but they're not enough stock to supply to most people. So some farmers went to find a way to grow edamame in their country by making variety that's very sweet at their country. Next, about cultivation of edamame. First, we consider is the soil that's suitable, such as sandy clay soil. Second one, we should consider is pH of the soil with the pH of 6 to 6.5. Then is the air and soil temperature between 3 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit and the tree of frost. After that, need drainage to avoid the stagnant water. Next, the ideal seed depth for most conditions is 11/4 to 11/2 inches. Next is under direct sunlight, and we need abundant on sunlight. Next, we're going to look up at methodology. The site location is located at the experiment plot located near parking lot of IBS next to the river. There are a few tools and material used like gardening tools, or planting material used like seed and fertilizer. The variety of edamame used here is EM200 Misonio clean variety. Fertilizer used here is processed chicken dung, processed goat manure, and crushed eggshell. 2 rounds of this plugging and 1 round of rotational plugging was conducted for land preparation. As for bed preparation, there are 5 different treatments will be tested on edamame plant. Chicken dung, goat manure, chicken dung with eggshell, goat manure with eggshell, and control treatment. Each of the treatment will be planned on top of 5 bedding using randomized block design. There are 100 seedlings on each bedding. 50 individual sample was chosen and labeled. So there are 150 total sample. To make plant bed, we make a smallish of about 3 to 5 cm depth and dug at 50 times 10 cm apart for sowing season. Next is data collection. Data that need to be collect are plant height and number of trifoliate leaf from week 1 to week 9. Plant height and week 12, number of pods, average number of seed per pod, and weight of pods and weight of seed. As for result in discussion segment, in the plant height table for the average plant height from week 1 to week 9, from height to low are chicken dung fertilizer with eggshell show better performance, followed by goat manure with eggshell, chicken dung, goat manure. These three has no large difference. And lastly, control is the lowest. As for the average number of trifoliate leaf table, the one better with producing trifoliate leaf is is the goat manure. The goat manure treatment is slightly better, though there is no large difference from auto fertilizer except control treatment. It's about a very final plant height table. Goat manure will actually show better growth performance at last height measurement on the weekly, followed by chicken dung. Share goat manure, chicken dung with the tree has no large difference and largely controlled as the lowest. As of the weight of the pot and weight of the seed, chicken dung treatment show better performance for both of them. As for the number of pot and number of seed, chicken dung show better growth performance than auto treatment. As conclusion, one with better overall treatment is chicken dung treatment. There are several recommendations for this study. Planting edamame must be done on summer, but do edamame plantation on rainy season. Significant as edamame vulnerable toward fungus, make sure to use seed that has been treated with anti-fungus, and also make use of fungicide if need. That's all from me. Thank you.